Richest Man in Babylon Summary. The Richest Man in Babylon is a book written by George S. Clason, first published in 1926. The book is a collection of parables set in ancient Babylon that offer financial advice and guidance. The central character of the book is Arcad, a wealthy man in Babylon who shares his secrets of wealth accumulation and management with his less fortunate friends. He teaches them the principles of saving, investing, and wise money management, such as paying yourself first, living below your means, and seeking expert advice. The book emphasizes the importance of financial literacy, discipline, and long-term thinking in achieving wealth and financial freedom. It teaches that anyone, regardless of their current financial situation, can become wealthy by following simple but effective financial principles. Some of the key lessons from the book include: 1. Save at least 10% of your income. 2. Live below your means. 3. Invest your money wisely. 4. Seek expert advice before making financial decisions. 5. Avoid debt as much as possible. 6. Make your money work for you. 7. Plan for the future and protect your assets. Save at least 10% of your income. Yes, saving at least 10% of your income is one of the key lessons taught in The Richest Man in Babylon. The book emphasizes the importance of making savings a priority, even if your income is low. By consistently setting aside a portion of your income, you can start building wealth over time. Saving 10% of your income can seem daunting at first, especially if you are living paycheck to paycheck. However, the book teaches that even small savings can add up over time, especially when combined with wise investment choices. It also suggests that you should make saving a habit by paying yourself first, that is, saving a portion of your income before spending on other expenses. By following this principle, you can gradually increase your savings and work towards achieving your financial goals, such as building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or investing for the future. Live below your means. Live below your means is another key lesson taught in The Richest Man in Babylon. This means that you should spend less than you earn and avoid living beyond your financial means. By doing so, you can avoid accumulating debt and start building wealth. Living below your means requires discipline and self-control. It means making conscious choices to prioritize your needs over your wants and avoiding unnecessary expenses. For example, instead of buying a brand new car, you may choose to buy a used one or take public transportation to save money. The book emphasizes that living below your means does not mean living a life of deprivation. It simply means making smart financial choices and avoiding wasteful spending. By doing so, you can free up more money to save, invest, and achieve your financial goals. Overall, living below your means is a fundamental principle of personal finance and one of the key ingredients to achieving long-term financial success. Invest your money wisely. Another important lesson taught in The Richest Man in Babylon is to invest your money wisely. The book emphasizes the importance of putting your money to work for you to generate additional income and build wealth over time. Investing wisely means making informed decisions based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. The book suggests seeking expert advice before making investment decisions and diversifying your investments to minimize risk. It also suggests starting with small investments and gradually increasing them over time. There are many different investment options available, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and more. The key is to choose investments that align with your financial goals and fit your risk profile. Investing your money wisely can help you achieve long-term financial success and build a secure financial future. By following the principles taught in The Richest Man in Babylon, you can make smart investment choices and start building wealth over time. Seek expert advice before making financial decisions. Yes, seeking expert advice before making financial decisions is another important lesson taught in The Richest Man in Babylon. The book emphasizes the importance of seeking guidance from those who have expertise in financial matters before making any major financial decision. Financial experts such as accountants, financial advisors, and attorneys can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions based on your unique financial situation. They can provide guidance on a wide range of financial matters, including investing, budgeting, retirement planning, and more. It's important to note that not all financial advisors are created equal. You should do your research and choose an advisor who is knowledgeable, experienced, and trustworthy. Look for an advisor who is registered with a reputable regulatory organization and has a good track record of helping clients achieve their financial goals. By seeking expert advice before making financial decisions, you can avoid costly mistakes and make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. It's a key principle of personal finance that can help you achieve long-term financial success. Avoid debt as much as possible. Yes, The Richest Man in Babylon emphasizes the importance of avoiding debt as much as possible. While some forms of debt can be useful, such as a mortgage or a business loan, too much debt can be a significant financial burden and hinder your ability to build wealth. The book encourages readers to live below their means and avoid overspending, which can lead to debt. It also advises against taking on debt to purchase unnecessary luxuries or to keep up with the Joneses. The book suggests that instead of borrowing to finance expenses, it's better to save and invest wisely to achieve financial goals. The book suggests that if you have debt, you should prioritize paying it off as quickly as possible, starting with the highest interest rate debts first. This will help you save money on interest payments and free up more money for saving and investing. By avoiding debt as much as possible and paying off existing debt quickly, you can achieve financial freedom and build long-term wealth. Make your money work for you. Yes, The Richest Man in Babylon teaches the importance of making your money work for you. This means putting your money to work by investing it in income-generating assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or other types of investments. By investing your money wisely, you can earn a return on your investment and generate additional income that can help you achieve your financial goals. The book emphasizes the importance of making informed investment decisions and seeking expert advice to help you make the most of your money. In addition to investing, the book also suggests that you can make your money work for you by starting your own business or finding additional sources of income. By generating more income streams, you can increase your financial stability and build wealth over time. By making your money work for you, you can achieve financial independence and build a secure financial future for yourself and your family. It's a key principle of personal finance and a powerful tool for achieving long-term financial success. Plan for the future and protect your assets. Planning for the future and protecting your assets is another important lesson taught in The Richest Man in Babylon. The book emphasizes the importance of having a long-term financial plan and taking steps to protect your assets against unexpected events. One of the key ways to plan for the future is to save and invest wisely. By setting financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them, you can build a secure financial future and achieve long-term financial success. The book also suggests that you should have an emergency fund to protect against unexpected expenses or a loss of income. In addition to planning and saving, the book emphasizes the importance of protecting your assets through insurance and other risk management strategies. By insuring your home, car, health, and other assets, you can protect yourself against unexpected events and minimize financial losses. The book also advises readers to be cautious with their investments and avoid taking unnecessary risks. By diversifying your investments and investing in high-quality assets, you can minimize risk and achieve long-term financial success. Overall, planning for the future and protecting your assets are essential principles of personal finance. By following these principles and taking steps to secure your financial future, you can achieve financial independence and build a secure financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Overall, The Richest Man in Babylon is a timeless classic that offers valuable lessons on personal finance and wealth creation. It is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their financial situation and achieve financial freedom.